Hey everyone, today we're going to do part 3 of my how to use Rhino tutorial. This will just be part 3 as I said before. I'm just going to go over a bit of basic commands and a little bit more of the interface, but it'll be more command oriented this time instead of user interface oriented. So I'm going to go over a few things. Usually I model in perspective mode. I do use these views sometimes, just not as much. I definitely use perspective the most since you get a three-dimensional view of everything. So I'm just going to go over kind of the system of how I model. So let's click on layers. So layers is very important. I think I mentioned that in the tutorial already. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do box real quick. I'm just going to create a simple box, and it's a very arbitrary dimension. And I usually model in shaded view. So this is the shaded view. I usually model in shaded view. So with this view, what I like to do, so let's say I'm going to teach you a few things right now. So I just made this box, and I have no idea what the dimensions are of this right now. So I'm going to delete this real quick, and I'm going to do a box, and I'm going to do 3 by 3 by 5. So create a 3" by 3" by 5". So let's say I actually wanted this to be 6 inches. Now I could just create a new box, right? And do 3 by 3 by 6. And that'd give it to me. Or I could already use the existing box that I have. So what I could do is do a command called Scale1D. It says the origin point, so my origin point will be right here. And the scale factor is just asking for my next reference point, which will be here. And as you can see, it kind of drags it. You can just scale in one dimension, which is extremely useful. So I can actually just type in 6, and it will do 6 for me. Same thing here. If I want this to be 2, just click that right here, and we'll just do 2. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this basic part. All this is just I'm showing you box and Scale1D. So yeah, I will jump right into modeling something in the next part. I just wanted to show box and Scale1D because Scale1D is definitely a tool that's used a lot when I model. It's one of the best ones, I think. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this part. This is just a quick part of it, and now we're going to model in the next part we're going to model something that I think will help you guys out with modeling in general. So we're going to jump straight into modeling something, so you can kind of experience and understand the interface and the commands, and you'll learn a lot of new commands and kind of how a process of making modeling in Rhino kind of works. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys on the next part.